Hello friends, today we will be drawing pseudo stratified epithelium. आज हम ड्रॉ करेंगे pseudo stratified epithelium. For this again we have to draw a basement membrane like this. Then in pseudo stratified epithelium some cells are smaller and some cells are larger in size. Pseudo stratified columnar, so like this, some cells will again like this, then some cells like this, then a small cell, then a large cell, large cell, large cell, then again a smaller cell, then again a large cell, a large cell, again a small cell, then a large cell, large cell, large cell, again a smaller cell, then a large cell, then a large cell, large cell, small cell. So some cells are larger, bigger in size, and some cells are smaller in size. Like this we have to draw the simple columnar pseudo stratified epithelium. Pseudo stratified columnar epithelium, or we can say just it is pseudo stratified epithelium. Then again we will fill the cytoplasm of each and every cell. You can fill it on your own. Like this we have filled the cytoplasm of each and every cell. Okay, then we will draw the nucleus of the bigger cell almost in the mid zone, and it is rounded. ठीक है, जो बिगर सेल्स हैं उनके न्यूक्लियस राउंडेड होते हैं और अपर जोन में होते हैं, और जो बेसल सेल्स हैं, जो स्मॉलर सेल्स हैं, उनके न्यूक्लियस हमें इन द सेंटर बनाने होते हैं. ठीक है, जो बिगर सेल्स हैं उनके न्यूक्लियस हमें इन द अपर जोन और इन द मिडल जोन. जो मिडल जोन है वहाँ पे या तो ऊपर होगा या फिर बीच की साइड पे कहीं भी न्यूक्लियस हो सकता है. कुछ न्यूक्लियस इसलिए हमें नीचे दिखाई देंगे, कुछ न्यूक्लियस हमें ऊपर दिखाई देंगे. सो लाइक दिस इज pseudo stratified epithelium. So these cells are simple, but they appear as if they are arranged in two layers. That is why this is known as pseudo stratified. It appears as if there is false stratification in it. So this is like this. Okay, now we will label this. This is the nucleus, this is the basement membrane, now we will draw pseudo stratified epithelium with cilia and with stereocilia. There are two types of pseudo stratified epithelium. Again we will draw the basement membrane. Some cells are larger, some cells are smaller. Like this you have to draw pseudo stratified columnar epithelium, pseudo stratified ciliated columnar epithelium. Then we will draw the cilia like this. This is the example of pseudo stratified ciliated columnar epithelium. We will again fill the cytoplasm of each and every cell. Then we will draw the nucleus. like this. So this is pseudo stratified columnar epithelium with cilia. Now in the other inset we will draw pseudo stratified columnar epithelium with stereocilias. These are present in male genital tract. For example, in the slides of vas deferens, epididymis, we will see this type of epithelium. Pseudostratified columnar epithelium with stereocilias. Stereocilias are types of microvilli, means they will appear smaller than the cilias and they will cover the upper part of the pseudostratified columnar epithelium as microvilli. These are known as stereocilias when they are present in pseudostratified columnar epithelium. Again, we will fill the cytoplasm of each and every cell. After filling the cytoplasm, we will draw the nucleus. Some nucleus are above and nucleus of the smaller cells are below. Like this. Now we will label this epithelium as pseudostratified ciliated columnar epithelium, and this one as pseudostratified columnar epithelium with stereocilia.